This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
So in this part, let us solve a very simple problem. The question is, when 0.15 kg of ice of 0 degrees Celsius, when it is mixed with 0.30 kg of water at 50 degrees Celsius in a container, the resulting temperature is 6.7 degrees Celsius. Calculate the heat of fusion of ice, and they have given the specific heat of water. So we already know this value. The specific heat of water is given by 4186 joule per kg per Kelvin, isn't it? This is the specific heat of water. So now let us find the solution for that. So when 0.15 kg of ice at 0 degrees Celsius is mixed with 0.30 kg of water at 50 degrees Celsius, both are taken in a container and the resulting temperature is given as 6.7 degrees Celsius. We need to find the heat of fusion of ice. Okay. Heat lost by water, that is given by specific heat of water, and they have given the value of mass 0.30, specific heat is 4186. Okay, and the value we get is 54,376.14 joules. Okay, next we should find heat required to melt ice. That is given by, since it is M2 into LF. So we know M2 0.15 kg, but latent heat of fusion we don't know. And the third point, that is heat required to raise temperature of ice water to final temperature. Temperature of ice water to final temperature. So here it is given as M1SW. So here So we get 4206. So heat lost is equal to heat gain, isn't it? So we should use this. So heat lost is 54376.14 joules. Heat gain 0.15 kg. Latent heat of fusion 4206.93 joules. So the latent heat of fusion So latent heat of fusion is 3.34 into 10 raised to 5 joule per kg. Okay. So now let us solve one more problem. Calculate the heat required to convert 3 kg of ice at minus 12 degrees Celsius kept in a calorimeter to steam at 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure, and given specific heat capacity of ice, that is 2100 joule per kg per Kelvin, and specific heat capacity of water is 4186 joule per kg per Kelvin. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.35 into 10 raised to 5 joule per kg, and latent heat of steam is given as 2.256 into 10 raised to 6 joule per kg. Okay. So here they have given all these parameters. Mass m is 3 kg. Specific heat capacity of ice, it is 2100 joule per kg per Kelvin. Specific heat capacity of water, 4186 joule per kg per Kelvin. Latent heat of fusion of ice, it is given as 3.35 into 10 raised to 5 joule per kg, and latent heat of steam, that is given by 2.256 into 10 raised to 6 joule per kg. These are all the readings which are given in the question. Now let us take Q. This is heat required to convert 3 kg of ice at minus 12 degrees Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Q is nothing but heat required to convert 3 kg of ice at minus 12 degree Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. And let us take Q1 as heat required to convert ice at minus 12 degrees Celsius to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So that is given by M specific heat of ice into delta T1. So we know mass and even we know specific heat of ice, and delta T1 is 0 minus of minus 12, which will give the answer as 75,600 joule. So this is the heat required to convert ice at minus 12 degrees Celsius to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now we should find Q2, that is heat required to melt ice at 0 degrees Celsius to water at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is given by M latent heat of ice. So we know that the mass of ice is given and even latent heat is also given, 3.35 into 10 raised to 5 joule per kg. The value that we get is 100, that is nothing but 10 lakh 5,000 joules. Okay, and similarly we should find Q3, that is heat required to convert water at 0 degrees Celsius to water at 100 degrees Celsius. That is given by M into specific heat of water into delta T2. One two five five 800 joules, and the Q4, that is heat required to convert water at 100 degrees Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. So that is m into latent heat of steam, which is given by 3 into 2.256 into 10 raised to 6 joule per kg, that is latent heat of steam. That is 676 8000 joules. Okay. So we know that is the heat required to convert 3 kg of ice at minus 12 degrees Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius, that is given by Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. So we know that is Q1 is 75,600 joules, Q2 is 10 lakh 5,000, Q3 is 1255 800, and Q4 is 676 8000 joules, which gives the value as 9.1 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Okay.